Click the Analysis, Geoprocessing, Environments button. Under the Output Coordinates, set the Output Coordinate System to Current Map NJ Data. Leave the other settings unchanged and click OK. Clear the Feature Class to Feature Class tool and reopen it. Export the CD114 feature class and save it as NJ Districts, selecting only the New Jersey districts. Check the output and make sure that it includes only the New Jersey districts and is stored in the State Plane Coordinate System. In the Catalog pane, expand the New Jersey GIA database to see the feature classes. In the Contents pane, view the layers that belong to the NJ data map. From the Catalog pane, drag the NJ Counties feature class into the map, making 2 NJ Counties layers. To help keep track, rename the new layer NJ Counties 2. Turn off all layers except NJ Counties, NJ Counties 2, and the base map. Change the color of NJ Counties 2. Note that the NJ County symbol stays the same. Open the layer properties for NJ Counties and examine the source, database, and feature class name. Make a note of it and close the window. Open the layer properties for NJ Counties 2 and compare the data sources. In Contents, right-click NJ Counties 2 and choose Label to turn the labels on. Turn NJ Counties 2 off and on to verify that NJ Counties has no labels. Both layers refer to the same location and same feature class in the home GIA database. Each layer presents a different view of the same data. In Contents, right-click the NJ Counties 2 layer and choose Remove. Auto-hide the Geoprocessing and Catalog panes to get more space if needed. Open the Catalog view in the display area. Navigate to the New Jersey GIA database and expose its contents. Click the NJ Cities feature class to view its metadata. Click the Home Metadata Edit button. An editing view opens for NJ Cities. In the description box, add this statement at the end. Subset to New Jersey from a national data set by your name on the current date. In the credits box, construct a citation to document the source of the data. Click Metadata, Manage Metadata, Save, and close the NJ Cities editing view. To update the thumbnail, click the Preview tab beneath the metadata. Click the Preview ribbon. Zoom or pan to adjust the view. And click Create Thumbnail. Return to the Metadata tab. If the new thumbnail does not immediately appear, click a different data set and then return to NJ Cities. In the Catalog view, with NJ City selected, highlight the citation text and click Ctrl-C to copy it to save typing. In the Catalog view window, click the next item, NJ Counties. Click the Home Metadata Edit button to open the metadata for editing. Paste the citation into the credits box and edit the description as before. Save the edits and close the NJ Counties Metadata Editing view. Switch to Preview and update the thumbnail, as in Step 17. Then switch back to Metadata. Edit the metadata for the remaining items in the GIA database. You can use Word or Notepad to copy-paste the repeating text rather than typing it each time. When finished, leave the Catalog view open, but switch back to the NJ data map. Save the project. In the Contents pane, open the layer properties for the NJ Cities layer and examine the metadata settings. At the top, click the drop-down box and examine the two choices. The layer metadata can show the dataset metadata, the default, or it can contain separate metadata entered by the user just for this layer. Set the drop-down to Layer has its own metadata. All the boxes go blank. Enter some brief metadata items specific to New Jersey and the educational purpose of this dataset. Click OK. If you wish, unhide the Catalog and GIA processing panes so they remain open. In the Catalog pane, expand the Transportation Feature dataset in the US Data GIA database to see the feature classes inside it. Drag the Match Roads feature class into the NJ data map. In Contents, right-click the Match Roads layer and choose Attribute Table. Examine the fields in the table and close it when finished. In the GIA processing pane, search for Clip. Two clip tools appear, Clip Analysis Tools and Clip Data Management Tools. Hover over each clip tool and read the pop-up description. Open the Clip Analysis Tools tool and click on the circled question mark instead of hovering. The tool Help opens. Skim through it and examine the diagrams. In the Clip tool, set the input features to Match Roads and the clip features to NJ districts. Name the output NJ Roads. Run the tool. Remove the original Match Roads layer from the map. Zoom to the stubby peninsula of southeastern New Jersey and compare the NJ districts and NJ bound gen layers to the base map by turning them on and off. In the Clip tool, set the input features to Match Roads. and the clip features to NJ districts. Name the output NJ roads. Run the tool. Remove the original Madge Roads layer from the map. Zoom to the stubby peninsula of southeastern New Jersey and compare the NJ districts and NJ bound gen layers to the base map by turning them on and off.